Hello, this is Gary with Ultra Plumbing, and I just wanted to make a quick video if your shower head broke off at the wall and there's now a piece stuck inside it here where I'm pointing. So you want to start by getting yourself a tapered file, a 10-inch tapered file like the one in this picture. I got this at Lowe's. Once you have your file, what you're going to do is you're going to take the tapered end and you're actually going to stick it into the piece in the wall that is stuck in there. You're going to give it a few taps, preferably with a hammer, but I'm using channel locks in the video because it just was convenient at the moment. Once it's in there kind of tight, you just use the channel locks on the file as I'm doing in the video, and just keep rotating it this way counterclockwise until you ultimately get it loosened completely and are able to remove it from the wall. As you can see here, it got loose enough at one point where I was able to put the channel locks down, and then I just start spinning the file by hand counterclockwise until eventually you will get the piece out. As you see I'm doing here, there's the piece, and now you can get yourself a new shower arm and screw it into the wall with the proper sealant and then install your shower head and you're good to go.